So this one is an experiment, as I did not yet develop how or implement how we can use static meshes here. And I'm not sure if it will work, but we should have a good base currently to make things work. Can we replace actors here as well? Oh yeah, we can. Interesting. So let's use it. Click here, Control B to browse to the asset, and we duplicate it and say pistol pulse Manny. I think it's I don't know how it's called, sadly. I'm so bad at remembering stuff. Meshes. What's a yeah, let's use the torch pulse. Torch pulse. I did not work on this one yet, so let's see if it works. So here we say the skeleton mesh is incorrect. We say clear, and this is the torch pulse. Compile. We have no bone corrections yet, and we also need to set the animation asset. Sweep poses, this one. So let's here. I'll set here the torch poses. And yeah, we need to extend our implementation. And there we have a function which is spawn held object. And here, that's what I wanted to do before, but then I avoided it to not confuse you guys. But here we can use a sequence node. And what is going on here? Swan. It's really weird. Let's move this also now to the back. I don't know what happened here. But yeah, let's try to get it working. So, and held object skeleton mesh. We can duplicate this variable and say it's a static mesh. Static mesh. So rename it and say here it's a static mesh. So same flags basically, and we get a static mesh here. Convert to validated get. Select or connect this one to here. Do the proper alignment, and we say spawn. Oh, add static mesh component. You do the same, please structure in so that we know what is going on. Default values, you can see it immediately, and we also promote this to a local variable. No, not the local. Sorry, not a local. Sorry. It's a this one here, and say m underscore spawned static mesh. Spawned held object static mesh. So yeah, and we use the same stuff here. I'm so excited if this will work, but let's see. If not, we make it work. Yeah. So, and now we need to get this one as well. So this is also in the private section. Of course, we need to get and say set static mesh. Yes. Similar API. But with different names. So, and where do we have? Yes, this one here. So I'm so excited if it will work. save everything. So it's really live coding now. It's kind of live stream here. I develop stuff on the fly and don't know what I'm doing. So here we can select the torch. And we should be able to browse to this asset and use the torch pose here. Interesting, it's so interesting. So let's see if we can fix this animation as well. So we will use the same location here, paste, and we move this to the side. Paste, move this to the side by, let's say, 300. So now comes the interesting part. Can we get the pose working? Because currently if I play the game, so this pose is also messed up. Look, so it's really messed up. And it's completely wrong. So this is the left hand. Here we are using the right hand, so we also need to edit our data there as well. So where is the it's the left hand what we want to use. Oh, I'm very excited if this will work. So what we can do now is the following. Move this up, move this to the right. Maybe make it also full screen. Oh yeah, we might have to work maybe. Oh no, it's fine. Just looked a bit, yeah, it looks a bit weird, the hand pose, but for me it's okay. I think you can still tweak the settings a little bit of the IK retargeting, but for me, for showing the concept, it's fine for the series. So let's maybe move it here. And if we click again on our stuff, we can now use our tools. Get relative held object location rotation. So we still have here a value, which is interesting. We should save everything and probably also scroll down, save the held object rotation, held object location rotation, and it should modify the index 0. So this is fine. We only did translation and not rotation, so I think it should not be rotated. It's fine for me. So you can use a different pose if you want. I will share my values in the description of the video below, like for the other one. And I think if we click here, apply relative held object location and rotation, we should see that all frames are modified. And let's see if how it works. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's only until 6. So if you play the game, it should also work. Hopefully. Where is the pose? Here's the pose. No, it did not. Oh, it did not because sure, guys, we need to click. Please tell me, Achim, you're doing shit. We need to modify the animation sequence. And if we browse to the sequence, we will see unconstrained bones again. Yeah, we need to improve our workflow a little bit with the tooling, but it should work fine if we constrain the bones again with our data table. So let's see if we can get it working. We only want to edit all bones except the hand IK bone. So okay, save everything and play the game again. And then hopefully, look at this, guys. The sweep is not working. Why is the sweep not working? So let's check. Sweep. Almost. So excited. Crouched. Sweep. crouch, aim, sweep, that's the one. So why did it mess up things? I'm not sure yet why. Maybe we need to cover it in a different video. I'm not sure why. Crouched. That also constrained bounce. I'm not sure why it messed up. Still wondering. Here it's fine. Also this pose works, but the aiming pose, the sweep pose does not work yet. Maybe, I'm not sure, maybe that's a fix. Let's constrain the bounce again. Maybe I did not work yet on this one, I'm not sure. No, needs to be covered in a different session. I don't want to bore you while you're watching me fixing it, but I think something is really wrong here. So let me also quickly check. Something which you can also use is the editor view for the bounce. Oh, did you see it? This is weird. This is completely weird. So these bones are completely messed up. These are really messed up. I'm not sure which bones, but it looks like the virtual bones also. Needs to be figured out. But yeah, let's end the session here, and I will let you know when I get it working. And we will now continue and maybe fix this later when I found the issue for it, found a solution for it. See you in the next session.